This just came in. It's a 1970 Chevy El Camino. Definitely the most sought after year for Chevelle and El Camino. Rebuilt 350. Rebuilt 350 turbo transmission with a shift hitch. It runs and drives great. All new tires. Rally wheels. Full wheel disc brakes. Factory air conditioning. Power steering. Power brakes. And yes, four-wheel disc. Just a really, really nice El Camino here. Check us out. HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. Chrome is excellent. Car runs and drives great. Everything seems to work. Got a retrofit stereo in it. Just a nice car here. Love the color combination. White, black vinyl top. And this car's got the air induction, cowl induction hood, and it works. The flapper actually works the way it's supposed to. Check us out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com.